Something was in the air. I had better things to think about, and I didn't care. I didn't care. You said it would rain. I said things will stay the same, like they've been all along. We both were wrong. Wrong about what I would do. Wrong about almost everything too. Do you feel better when I say that you were right? You were right about the rain. You said you read me like a book. I couldn't keep my feelings hid. You knew my heart better than I did. Better than I did. But the things that didn't show were why I finally had to go. There was something I couldn't touch. I wanted too much. You said you didn't understand how I can feel the way I do. You said it's all in your mind, but that ain't true. It isn't true. You said you don't mean nothing by it. You said suffering quiet. You said to cut the crying too. Now the laughs on you. The laughs on you. You were wrong about what I would do. Wrong about almost everything too. Do you feel better when I say that you were right? You were right about the rain. Right about the rain. You were right about the rain. I said the end had come, so I finally left. car. I got completely wet.